With this secret, the meat will melt in your mouth like butter. Start by adding 150 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature in a large saucepan. Then add 50 milliliters of olive oil and stir until melted. Next, cut 1 kilo of beef. Cut it into strips, then into smaller pieces. Now transfer to the saucepan with the butter and cook until golden brown. This is the right point. You may remove all the meat. In the same saucepan, add 2 onions chopped into thin round slices, 3 crushed garlic cloves, and sauté until slightly golden brown. When that happens, add the fried meat again. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1½ tablespoons of mustard, 40 milliliters of soy sauce, and stir until incorporated. Finally, add 100 milliliters of water. Cover the skillet and let everything cook for 30 minutes. Once that's done, cut 4 large peeled potatoes, cut them in half, then into smaller pieces. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Transfer these potatoes to a medium saucepan, add enough water to cover them, 1 teaspoon of salt, turn on the heat to medium power, cover and let them cook for 20 minutes. After this time has passed, drain all the water from the potatoes and transfer them to a medium bowl. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper. Add 50 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature, 50 milliliters of hot milk, 100 grams of grated cheddar cheese, and mash until combined. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Once the meat has cooked through, in a small bowl with 50 grams of cornstarch, add 100 milliliters of water and mix until the cornstarch dissolves. Then pour this mixture into the meat. Add chives and parsley to taste and stir until incorporated. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. Serve with the mashed potatoes we made earlier. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.